Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see and find your PayPal transactions. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to log in into your account. And in my case, I'm using the PayPal website or the web application, and it will be something similar for the mobile application. So all you need to find first is the activity tab or the activity menu. In my case, I can find it just here on the header, and basically it is located in this top menu within the home, send, wallet, and activity option and other options. So basically we need just to click on activity, and from here you will find all your transactions. So as you can see here, because I have no transaction, it says no transaction yet, but it seems that here you can find your transactions. And basically you can also have added many other filters. You can either filter by date or by type or whatever you like. So from here we can find the filters. So basically here you can choose either this month, and from here you will find the transactions for your month, or whatever you like, or you can even choose a custom range of dates. Then you can filter also by transaction type. So either you will find only the payments or the payments received. That means what you have received in PayPal, refunds, transfers, and reported transactions. Also, you can choose by status. So basically, if you have some holds or some pending transactions because of some conflicts or whatever, you can filter by that, and you can also filter by whatever you like. Then you will need just to click on apply filter, and then they will be showing here. And in case you want to download the list of your transactions, you can simply click on this one, and basically you can download the detailed statement of anything you like. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.